Hi and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a tool that can help you write high-quality blog posts more efficiently, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that uses machine learning to generate text based on a given prompt. It can be a great resource for writers, especially when it comes to brainstorming ideas or expanding upon existing ones. So if you're a blogger looking to improve your writing process, this video is for you. Let's dive in and learn how to use ChatGPT to write great blog posts. Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step to writing a blog post using ChatGPT is to decide on a topic. This could be something you are passionate about or have expertise in. Once you have your topic in mind, it's a good idea to brainstorm a list of points or ideas that you want to include in your post. You can do this by simply typing out a list of keywords or phrases related to your topic, and using ChatGPT to generate additional ideas based on those keywords. Step 2. Organize your ideas. Now that you have a list of ideas, it's time to start organizing them into a rough outline for your post. This will help you to see the structure of your post and ensure that you have a clear flow of ideas. You can use ChatGPT to generate an outline for you based on your list of ideas, or you can create your own outline using the ChatGPT generated ideas as a starting point. Step 3. Write your post. With your outline in place, it's time to start writing your post. You can use ChatGPT to generate sentences or paragraphs based on your outline, or you can simply type out your own ideas and use ChatGPT to expand upon them. As you write, be sure to proofread and edit your work to ensure that it is clear and free of errors. You can also use ChatGPT to generate alternative phrasing or to check the grammar and spelling of your writing. Step 4. Publish your post. Once you are happy with your post, it's time to publish it on your blog or website. Be sure to include a catchy title and any relevant images or media to make your post more engaging for readers. And that's it. You now have a well-written blog post thanks to ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to use ChatGPT to improve your blog writing process. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, be sure to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.